So I've shown you how you get data into CXAir. This is going to show you a little bit about the crosstab functionality, which is a way of analysing your data. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to look at the search engine that I've created, which is my store data. I've got 157,000 transactions that I've loaded. I'm now going to show you a crosstab that I created a few moments ago, which illustrates a few of the more advanced features within the product that you would get straight out of the box. Here we've got an example of a chart and crosstab. Now the chart is obviously mixed bar and line with dual axes. We've got a crosstab with, as you can see here, nested rows, which is actually showing area and branch name. By day of week, showing the transaction volumes plus the revenue with cell highlighting based on certain conditions. Now what I've actually done, I've saved this report with a set of filters which actually allow you to manipulate the data behind the report. If I click on this button here, you'll notice that we've got a sales price slider here, which you can adjust to change the range of the values included in the chart, and also an area name where we've got a number of pre-selected areas that I'm interested in my analysis. If I actually deselect a value, you'll notice that the table and chart will update automatically, because that's the way it's been set up. And also I could add additional area names if I wanted to expand the amount of data or range of data that was being displayed. So to actually create something like this is very easy. So to start off with, if I just clear the filters down and click New Crosstab, what I'm going to start off with is my basic crosstab layout, and I'm going to select area name as rows, branch name, and a day of week as the column. So if I click Run Report, you'll notice the data immediately comes back to me. If I drill through on a value, as you can see, it comes back instantly, whether that's a grand total or whatever. What I now want to do is I want to make this nested data here, I want to display as a hierarchy. So what I do is I simply go into the layout and I just put Show Rows Hierarchically, Run Report. As you can see, we can now expand and contract that row. I'm now going to add a chart. Charts are extremely easy to create. The list that you actually see here is actually determined automatically by the shape of the data that you've created yourself. As you can see, the default chart types here include a stacked bar chart. In this instance, each section in here relates to a day of the week. If I click on a value, it will drill through to that underlying data. Extremely simple. This is crosstabs. There's lots more that you can do, but I'll show you a little bit more in later demonstrations.